Hi everyone, Greg here. Now today it's lunchtime and I thought, well, I'm going to whip up a pizza. But not any old pizza. Well, it sort of is. It's a prosciutto and mushroom, but it's really easy. So let me show you what I'm using. Well, it's not just prosciutto and mushroom. I've also got some calamari olives, which I'm going to have to cut up. But I've got some garlic, a mushroom, some prosciutto, cheese, and I'm using this pizza sauce. It's so easy, mate, and it always tastes really nice. And of course you'll need a pizza base. This one's actually gluten-free. I'm going to see what this tastes like, the old gluten-free. Now first of all, we want to heat our oven up nice and hot. So, well, I'll crank it right up to, well, the maximum, and really get that just cranking hard. Well, let's start throwing this pizza together. Alright, well for starters, I just need to cut up a few things. I sort of want the prosciutto in sort of little slithers like this. About 1 centimetre, which is about, well, half an inch. And with the mushroom, well, we just need to cut that into pretty thin slices as well. This one's quite a big mushroom. I probably won't use all of it, but hey, I'll give it a go. Oh, that's right, I've got to cut up some of these olives too. I'm using 5 today because that's all I have left. Actually, I got 6. You're a ripper. And we just want to cut those in half, maybe quarters or thirds or something as well. Yeah. They are pretty strong calamaris, so less is more. Alright, now for starters, grab your pizza base and we're going to put some of this pizza sauce on. Oh yeah. And we're going to spread that sauce out. Oh, I probably would have put some garlic on first, but you might notice my hands are a little bit different. And well, I've actually got someone here that used to work at Pizza Hut, so she knows how to make a pizza. So we're using her hands today. She's an old professional. Not that old, just, I mean, well, sort of. But we won't go there. You're doing a fantastic job with that pizza sauce, by the way. And what's next? Some garlic? Normally, my pizza lady would cut the garlic up. She's not used to using a garlic crusher, so this is all new to her too. Hopefully she can spread it out and not just keep it in clumps, but some people might prefer the clumps to the spread out. And now we add some cheese on the base. Oh yeah, yum. Oh, how much cheese you put on? Well, it's up to you, but less is more, because otherwise if you put too much, it's not going to melt, is it? Now we're going to add the mushrooms on. I wonder what sort of style my beautiful pizza maker will make. She hasn't put any sort of patterns, but that's alright. You can if you want. But that looks very nicely spread out. I tell you what, if Pizza Hut still made pizzas like this, I'd actually go there. And now, the prosciutto is going on. Yum. Oh, yes. It's quite a bit there too. I'm actually hoping there's some prosciutto left because, well, I just like eating it on its own. It tastes so good. In fact, you know what? I'm going to steal a piece. Yes! So soft and salty. And now we finish it off with the olives. But it's not finished off yet because there's still one more thing to go. Once we put the olives on, we're going to finish it off with a little bit more cheese on top. Or a lot more if that's what you prefer. But I wouldn't go too much because, well, sometimes it doesn't all melt through. Well, doesn't that look really nice? I'll tell you what, I could eat that just right now, just like that, I reckon. It'd be awesome. Well, we're not going to. We're going to stick it on a tray and whack it in the oven. Alright, so I actually preheated this tray because, well, I don't want a soggy bottom on the pizza. So, boy, that's hot! So I'll just give it a quick spray with some oil, just in case this, well, sticks, which I'm hoping it won't. Transfer that over. And now this will go into my preheated maximum temperature oven. Oh! And now we're going to cook that pizza until the cheese is melted. It could take 5 minutes if the oven's really hot, or it could take maybe 10 or 12. Depends how hot your oven is. Anyway, we'll come back when it's finished and suss it out. Alright, well, it's only been 6 minutes and I think it's ready. Quick, let's take a look. Oh! God. Man, that was hot. Make sure you're very careful. Oh, yeah, look at that. Woo-wee. That looks great. Let's cut this up so we can tuck on in. Alright, well, let's try a piece. Ooh, which one? They all look so delicious. Okay, we'll go with this one. Oh yeah. Oh man. That tastes so good. Like the garlic. It just really gives it such a nice flavour. And then it blends in with that prosciutto, which has sort of got a bit harder. The olives on top. Man, that is so tasty. And well, it's so easy to make too. So there you go. There's a different pizza you can try making. And tell you what, it tastes so good. I don't think my pizza maker is going to get any. Bad luck. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.